So today we're looking at the field repair kit from Wildway Bushcraft. Let's have a look inside. Alright, so here's a field repair kit. You got your straps in the back, webbing on the front, patch there obviously. Inside you have plenty of room to put any other things you want to put in there. So the pouch itself just has a basic little mesh pocket back here. That's just the backing of the patch there, but very generous size. Items, I'll just take all these out now. So a generous amount of strapping. This is like everything that could possibly break while you're out about. So you have that for sewing, making holes. You got some buckles here of different sizes. These are quite useful because they're often getting lost off your strings of the rucksack. You have some tape here, I believe, for patching things up. Yeah, you get a few of them. So in case you put a hole in your top or something. Then you have, I guess, a bigger version of that. Oh. You have 5 buttons, safety pins, which are always handy, and the needles. Oof, you got a lot of sewing needles. Now these are the nice ones. These are the ones with the big eyes on it. So they're quite handy. So there. So yeah, plenty to work with and fix your bag up, whatever. Maybe your tent bag breaks or your rucksack. All good items. So that's everything you get in the field repair kit from Wildway Bushcraft. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I'll put prices up, and they do have a few other kits available. I'll try to find some more information about that. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to go to prepperinthewoods.co.uk and check my links in the description box below. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.